So I make pizza from my flatbread remaining from what I made before. So this is only the flatbread, slice of like green bell pepper, onion, tomato, and I have put some dried salami on the top of it, and cheese, mozzarella cheese, and a cheese. So let's see, I want to add some seasoning on it. Oh Lord. Olive oil. I'm excited for this pizza. So we're going to put this on my oven. Look at that. Actually, pwede na siya. Pizza. So wowie. I can smell it. Smell pizza, guys. That I can't take my eyes on it. The color and the healthy. The crust is too thin. I used the coconut flour that I made last time, and it's, oh my god, it's gonna be a delicious healthy pizza for my dinner. I can't wait to dig on it. It looks so yummy in the eyes, and I can take my eyes on it. So guys, if you are craving a pizza, you can create your own. So this will be my creation pizza.